Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with the trick, and the trick is relating to the leading zero text. So for example, if you have a zip code or any phone number or any ID, a unique ID which might get start from maybe 00 or 000, maybe multiple zeros in the beginning, and you can see this is not a number format, it's a text. So if I'll type in 1, 2, 3, 4 in here, you will see this will show initially this will show as a general, but if I can convert this to numbers, this will get to decimal, which you can always remove. So for example, if you have a text or anything which is starting from 0, but you can see it's showing none 0 when you are taking the text in. So how you can deal with it? For example, if you copy paste the data with the leading 0 text from somewhere and paste it in some other sheet, and if I'll copy this data and paste it in here as values, which is Control Shift V, or let me Control V only, and you can see if I'll paste the data as Control V, it will take the formatting with it and zeros as well. But still you can't see any zeros with it. So the alternate method to have the leading zero with it is that this is uh, you need to convert this to a text first. All right. So as you can see, this when we click in the value, this shows a special value, special formatting. So let's go to the special format and see what it is. So you can see it is already selected as zip code. So if there are less number, it's always going to make it 5-digit number with a leading zero to it. But actually, once you'll click in this cell, you will see no zeros available in there. So this is one thing. So if you want to keep it, keep the formatting, which is the formatting. There is no leading zero to it. It's just a formatting, and you can only see the zeros. But if you have a number which is showing zero, but there is no value in it, you can always use the formula text, which forces the format to this value. So you can select the value, then press comma, and if you want to have a 5-digit number. So currently this is already a 4-digit number with a leading zero, which is just showing, not actually present. So I'll make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. Just hit enter, and now you have a leading zero to it. Now, if I'll make the copy and paste it in here as values, if I'll double click on it, you will see there is a zero in it. But once if I'll double click on this one, this is not showing a zero because it was only showing. But as soon as you will click in the cell and click outside the cell, like for example, if I double click, then check the zero, and clicked outside, and it will turn automatically back to non-zero values. So to deal with this kind of thing, what you need to do, you need to copy the values and paste it as values as well. No need to double click or open it. So this is one thing. Similar thing you can do in the Google Sheet. If I'll copy the text, which is with the leading zeros, let me copy it, and I'll jump in back to the Google Sheet and paste it in here. You will see the zeros will get removed again. So what you need to do, you don't need to paste special as values. You need to paste only. Once you'll paste it, it will always, like, if there is if the text, if the default setting or default formatting is not text, it's going to remove the leading zeros. And to keep the zeros which are coming in from the data, like which are leading zeros, just copy the data and paste it in the Google Sheet. While you are going to paste it, it will give you the non-zero values. So what you need to do, you need to select the whole column. Maybe if you want to put the values in that, then go to the format and keep it as a plain text. Now, if you will paste the values, even if you will paste it as Control Shift V, let me redo, make the text plain text format, then right click on it, paste as values, and it will keep the zeros still. So this is the way, this is the way how you can keep the leading zeros. If otherwise, if you will paste it without any formatting, like the current formatting of this cell is automatic. And if you will paste the value as Control Shift V or simply Control V, both of these will remove the leading zeros. So there are two ways. Either you can select the column first, make the text format, and then paste it as values, or maybe only Control V, and you can keep the leading zeros. Or always you can use the same formula as I mentioned earlier, that you can select Control, use text formula, select the value, add multiple zeros, close the formula, and you will have the leading zeros. So this is the way. So thank you.